Hey, this is Samantha from Feed Me Leads. I spoke to Raina on the phone and I told her that I would send you guys over the screencast. I'm going to keep it really short and sweet. I'm just going to go through your site really quickly. I'm going to go through one of your competitors' sites as well. And then I'm going to give you guys 3 ways you can use yourself today for free to start bringing in some more high quality traffic to your site. And so I send these screencasts out with all of this free information, but often when business owners see what I do, how I do it, and how much work is put into it, they decide that they want to team up. So if you watch this through and you feel the same, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. But without further ado, let's get into it. So here I am on the Air Duct Services and Restoration homepage. I like how you guys have your award presented right here at the top. You have a call to action, which is great. Scrolling through here, though, I'm not seeing very much content. Google is going to be ranking your website based off of around 200 different factors. One of those key factors is going to be content. You want to have a minimum of 1,500 to 2,000 words on this homepage. So I would suggest adding in some more content here. You want to make sure that content is quality educational content. Google is going to send out their bots and they are going to crawl through your site and determine whether or not the content on there will help Google's users find the information or the services that they are looking for. In addition to having the right amount of content, you want to make sure that content is filled with an appropriate amount of high volume buyer intent keywords. So Google loves information, and you can strategically place the right keywords in your content to tell Google exactly what terms you want your website to be in front of when people search for them. A great example of a keyword over here is water damage Quincy MA. This keyword brings in 200 searches per month. So if you were to convert just a small fraction of those into customers, you'd be doing really well for just one single keyword. Beneath the search bar, we have our Google Ads. Google Ads can be a really great way to get your name out there and build some brand recognition, or when you want to take advantage of a hot market or promote a special event or promotion going on. They are also a good fast leads option while you're waiting for your SEO to warm up. Right beneath the ads, we have our Google Map Pack. The Google Map Pack is extremely important and can produce huge amounts of revenue. In order to make it into one of these top 3 spots, you need to have a lot of citations. A citation is just when your business is listed on an online directory. So Yelp, Angie's List, Home Advisor, those are all good examples of online directories that people use and trust a lot. You want to be on more of those online directories than these 3 businesses are right here. Also, be careful when you are entering your information into these directories that it looks identical down to every last character to the content on your Google business profile in order for it to be counted as a citation by Google. Now I've scrolled down and I've made it to the organic search results. This should be your main area of focus. It's going to be your best long-term return on investment. Google has actually come out and said that up to 70% of people, when they type something into the search bar, they're going to be clicking on one of these organic search results, and they're almost always going to be clicking on one towards the top of the first page. This is the first company page that pops up for this keyword. And so right here, they are actually ranking a services page. But if you go to their homepage, I did a word counter search on them, and they have 3,200 words throughout this page. So you want to beat them out with the amount of content that they have. In addition to having good content, in order to rank organically, you need to have a lot of high-powered, relevant backlinks. A backlink is just a clickable text from one website to another. It's basically like one website giving a shout out to another website. You want to get these shout outs or backlinks from high-powered and relevant sites. For example, if a local plumbing company with a powerful site were to give you a backlink, that would be a really great way to bring more power to your site. Over here, I've hopped onto Ahrefs. Ahrefs is a really great tool. If you guys do bring this in-house, I highly recommend it. It is a little pricey. It costs me around $350 a month to use, but it gives me a lot of great information. So here I typed in the competitor that we were just looking at, and they have 658 backlinks from 204 domains, and they are ranking organically for 773 keywords. So you can click on this to take a look and see which keywords they are ranking for. You want to keep an eye out for buyer intent keywords that are preferably location specific. Here it will list all the different keywords they're ranking for, how many people search for that keyword every month, what position they hold for that keyword on Google, and how much traffic it brings them. So you can go through, see which ones apply to what you do, and incorporate the best ones into your content. So now I'm going to go back and I want to do the same thing that I just did with the keywords to the backlinks. And so right now it's saying that they have 658 backlinks. You don't want to just beat them out with the quantity of backlinks, you want to beat them out with the quality as well. And so you want to keep an eye out for backlinks that have a high DR domain rating, goes from 1 to 100. You can click on the best ones and see if you can add your website to these different pages. You can go through these backlinks, go through other competitors' backlinks, and then find some on your own as well. Over here, I have typed in your website into Ahrefs as well. Right now, you guys have 747 backlinks from 104 different domains, and you are ranking organically for 126 keywords. So we'll take a look and see which keywords you are ranking for. Again, you want to keep an eye out for those buyer intent keywords that are preferably location specific. And so here I see you're ranking towards the middle to the bottom of the first page for a couple of good keywords right here. They're bringing you in some decent traffic. However, there are a lot of keywords that you can add in here, and you can try and rank higher for the ones that you already are ranking for. And I think you could get rised in the ranks if you incorporate the 3 things we talked about into your online marketing plan, which were number 1, more quality educational content with the right keywords. Number 2, some more citations to get you ranked on the map pack. And then number 3, more high-powered relevant backlinks. And so it says that you actually have more backlinks than what they had. You had something around 740 backlinks from 105 different domains. If we go back, they actually have less backlinks, but from more referring domains. So you want to focus on getting some more referring domains. And you also want to make sure that you're getting only high-powered, relevant backlinks. Not all backlinks are created equal, and some of them can actually hurt your site more than help. But here, we're seeing that they have an organic traffic rate of around 542 different people. If you were to multiply that by 25%, if they were to close 25% of those people, that would be 44 new customers every month. Multiply that by the rate of an average restoration job at 2,500, they're at $110,000 per month. And then factor in a 50% gross profit margin, and that is $55,000 per month. So that gives you a good idea of how lucrative having a powerful site can be that's ranking for the right keywords. And so that's what I have for you for today. Hopefully you enjoyed watching this and you got something out of it. If you are interested in learning more, you can email me back or you can give me a call. My number is 714-975-5909. So thank you for watching, and I look forward to speaking with you.